Performance evaluation. Price and design. For just $270, you get a chic and sleek Hermitlux dishwasher. It is less expensive than most competitors, such as the Black & Decker BCD6W, which is priced at $325. To check the latest prices, click the links in the description. Its white color gives it a clean and minimalist look, perfect for any modern kitchen. With a height of 18.03 inches and weighing just 26.4 pounds, it's pretty compact, so it won't hog up your counter space. Cleaning performance. Hermitlux offers 4 fabulous wash cycles tailored for your dishes: standard, quick, strong, and ECO. Plus, you get bonus cycles for fruit and drying. Ever heard of a 360 degrees rotating spray arm? This dishwasher has it. It ensures your dishes get a thorough, shiny clean from every angle. Drying performance. No one likes wet dishes. That's why the HMX-TDJ04 uses PTC hot air drying to ensure your dishes are ready to be used straight out of the machine. And here's the cherry on top. It rinses dishes with hot water at the end of the cycle for that extra sparkle. Noise level. This dishwasher is a silent worker with a quiet operation at 50 dB. You won't even notice it's on while enjoying your favorite show or reading a book. This is a significant reduction compared to most competitors, such as Black & Decker BCD6W, which operates at 60 dB. Energy efficiency. Although it's not Energy Star rated, it operates at 950 watts and requires a voltage of 120 volts. Remember, no batteries are needed here. Water usage. Here's a win for both you and Mother Earth. This dishwasher uses only 5 liters of water for a normal cycle. It is economical and eco-friendly. Cycle time. Depending on your chosen cycle, you have options ranging from 19 minutes for fruits to 89 minutes for that strong wash. Plus, a consistent drying time of 60 minutes across cycles. Loading capacity. This dishwasher boasts a 4-place setting capacity. It can accommodate plates up to 10.25 inches and has a cutlery tray and special baskets for your utensils and fruits. Safety features. While it doesn't have features like a child lock or leak protection, always remember to use appliances carefully and keep kiddos supervised. Reliability and durability. The product is made of sturdy plastic material. This dishwasher will be a reliable kitchen companion. It's all about reliability, and Hermitlux has your back.